Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Hump Day, everyone. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. Right now, you'll notice a narrow range heading into the RTH Open. Narrow range of just 30% of ADR, 20.75 points. Inside day right now as we head into pre-market economic data. We have core PPI and PPI, producer price index, here this morning, 1 hour prior to the RTH Open. Later on in the day, we also have the FOMC meeting minutes. We have basically an uptrending market here since Friday. Strong reversal and low. Each day has seen higher highs, higher lows. Obviously today with PPI on deck, we could see some early volatility here. Given the trending market over the last several days, any pullback could be an opportunity to buy for a continuation up as this market makes an approach toward 44.56.5. That's the previous quarter's midpoint there, especially after rejecting the previous quarter's low. Looking for a snapback toward that level and looking for a continuation likely into the FOMC key level above at 4,500. So right now this market making a move to the upside overall, but right now in a holding pattern ahead of PPI this morning. Any pullback with rejection here could be seen as a buying opportunity for a continuation toward those upper targets. Overall, this market right now remains bullish on the short term, but has seen some weakness here since the July high. So if we're going to see some sort of rejection here, if prices above 44.20, above 44.25, that could lead to a bearish outside day down. Do we see something like this develop here today? Something like that could open up a reversal back to the downside, which opens up a return back toward year-to-date VWAP and VPOC down below. So right now, keeping an eye on the previous session's highs. Any rejection there could open up an outside day down, but as of right now, looking for bulls to defend into weakness for a continuation higher. Looking at the NQ, right now the NQ showing inside day narrow range of price action, 25% of average range at the moment. Again, still flowing to the upside, especially after Friday's low. Price continues to hold the 14.6 support level, and we're working our way higher. We've already seen a test here of the FOMC key level back toward the 15.369 level, and we could be looking at a continuation across the range toward 15.660. So overall, this market continues to show more strength within the developing trading range here, 14.6 up to the 16K level. Any pullback here early today could be seen as a buying opportunity, and a continuation higher toward the 15.6 level could be seen. So right now, still working our way higher within this range. Looking at crude oil, this one's down about 0.9% right now, but is still mostly within range. 3-day trading range that is developed here for crude oil. You'll see right here that Monday range set the edges here, and since then we've been inside that range with an upward bias. The impulsive sell-off here with a snapback has a midpoint at 88.27. Can we find that target today? Overall, bulls look to defend between 84 and 85 here today. A rejection of prices in that zone could open up a push to the upside and a finish into 88.27, and likely a continuation higher toward 90 up above. So overall, this market right now working its way higher, trying to find a higher low here above 84s for a continuation toward 88.27 up above. Overall, this narrow range here could be building some energy that could be released over the next several days. So if we look at this 3-day range calculation here, you see how compressed it is, 39% of average, with average being about 6 points. So when we do see a breakout from this 3-day range, we could see a move of about 6 points over the next 3 sessions. So any pullback staying to 84 plus 6, and you're looking at a push into 90 up ahead. All right, taking a look here at gold. Gold up about 0.6%, very similar price action to crude oil, gapping up on a Sunday night, holding those gains on a Tuesday after Monday's strength, and now here seeing additional strength as well. So right now looking for a continuation up. Looking for a continuation back toward 1900. That would give us a new impulsive move and key range. Now, 1900 is going to be the key level to watch overall for a continuation or for failure. We've pushed through 1900 and dropped into 1823. A retest of 1900 from below could offer a selling opportunity back down. To push through 1900 opens up the range back toward 1980 up above. So this is going to be a big time approach coming into 1900 up ahead. Bulls want to continue to defend. Pullbacks for a continuation higher toward 1900 above. Lastly, looking at the YM. The YM here with a narrow inside range day today, for the most part trading 156 points of range. It's been averaging over 400 per day. So we're looking at less than 30% or around 34% of average range. You're looking at a continuation higher from the Friday lows and a recovery of the previous quarter's low. Now, any pullback into that previous quarter's low could provide a buying opportunity for a continuation back up. You're looking for a move back toward the 34.8 level and as high as 35.022. That is the FOMC key level from September. So selling off, selling off, selling off, finding a strong low, moving off that low. We could see a pullback here. Some pullback could provide a higher low opportunity for a continuation toward 35K up above. So watching to see how it plays out here. This is the big level right here at the moment, 34K. It's the bottom of the key range. So again, this could be an area where a bit of a pullback occurs followed by an attempt to push back above 34K for a rotation back to 35 up above. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this develops here heading into the RTH Open. PPI on deck. FOMC meeting minutes later on this afternoon, with CPI Thursday morning. Could be an active finish to the week. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this develops the rest of the session. Good luck. Trade well. I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.